The morning, top of the morning, back at it again with another one. And today we're looking at the Nasdaq. We're gonna be looking over the last hour of trading, the final hour closing macro, very powerful. And we're gonna be looking at how we could have taken advantage of what price presented to us at the time. If you don't know now, you know. Be sure to follow us on Twitter. The handle is SCHMDII, SCHMDII. And please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe. Let us know what else you want to see, and we'll be sure to bring it back to you. And let's get into the video. I'm not trying to make it a long one today. So the closing hour macro starts at 3. Gonna go straight to 3 p.m. and we're gonna take a look-see. We're currently on the M15. As you can see, we've had an expansion day. We had the classic buy day template. So we came out the consolidation, manipulation in London, formed the low of the day at 3 a.m. and then continued to expand. The AM session in New York gave us an expansion. The PM session at the time, we'd be looking for an expansion. So what brings our attention is we look at here. We can see these two down close candles nestled above each other. Propulsion block. After it pushes, it opens up an M15, a fair value gap over there, as you can see, and an order block. So I'm just gonna start out by marking out the order block. And you'll see this is something that I like to call the unicorn setup, which is a fair value gap rested above an order block. Very high probability trade, very beautiful. So you can see on the M15, propulsion block, two down close candles pushed up against each other. How I know it's a propulsion block, I take a special noting to the midway point of that candle towards the low end. Just put a fib, and I have a few templates, but I look for the midpoint. And as long as you don't have a candle closure below the midpoint, I have further confidence to know that, okay, the price is probably going to continue up to the upside. Now that I have that context, it's been a bullish day. We have PD arrays supporting the fact that, okay, price is going to make its way higher and higher. It looks like a balanced price range. So I didn't expect price to go below that, So we have a number of PD arrays confirming that price is not likely to go down. It's likely to make its way up. We have the context via the M15, balanced price range / order block, propulsion block, pushed up, opened a fair value gap, and now price was just meandering about. Just gonna put a quick fib, take a look, see, get our bearings. It's there now. Fair value gap is in premium relative to that dealing range. Let me just zoom in some more so we can take a look, see. Oh, looks like the fib is gone. Oh well. Do that, projection fib. Pretty interesting to note how it dropped down into the OTE and then carried on to the upside, similar to how it did in the AM session. If you didn't watch that video, be sure to check it out, as we dropped a lot of alpha and sauce. So we came back to the M15 order block, tapped into it and began to shot up, tapped into that M15 fair value gap multiple times. You see how there's no candle closures. It's just wicking, showing us price is giving it's tilting its hand to show us that it's gonna reverse from there. And look at how beautifully it shot up. It pushed up about 80 points. And now for me, if it does that, I take a look at this last manipulation to the downside. I take my fib, press it at the bottom, raise it to the upside, and I just take a look to see where did we reverse from. just hovering about. But yeah, nice move. Pushed up, order block there, opened the fair value gap, we tapped into it, continue to the upside. So another example of that closing hour macro being extremely powerful. Hope you got some value from this video, from this observation. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments what else you want to watch, and please follow us up on Twitter. We're trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers by September, and I know we can make it. Thank God for the skill. Thank you all for your time, and stay safe.